Harbin Howell Medical Apparatus and Instruments Company Limited, founded in 2010, located in Harbin, Heilongjiang Province, with convenient transportation. Our company more than 10 years experience in providing operating room and ICU room one-stop solution. Howell Medical with a strong design team, research and development, improving to provide you with strong practical operating room, digital integration design, and purification engineering solutions and products. Howell have a dedicated after-sales team to provide customers with effective solutions within 24 hours. The main research and development products have operating table, obstetric table, examination chair, medical pendant, surgery shadowless lamp, traction frame, position gel pad, the accessories for operating table and other operating room equipment. Howell approved ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 quality system certification, and a number of products third-party inspection qualification report. Howell's products are exported to Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and other regions and countries. Howell has won the good reputation from home and abroad with provide quality, the best service. Because we believe that no matter the size of the project, it deserves the very best. In the future, we will continue to provide the highest quality products, innovation, and best services to our customer and partner. Focusing on high-tech operating room equipment, will become a global leading enterprises and famous brand for operating room equipment.